back here on Geoff's T-Bird. Just pulled the carb. Bam. We're gonna blast this baby apart real quick like. Yeah. See why we're flooding. Go from there. Go from there. But it's not a light, so it's easy. So flipping her over, we got a lot of yucky. Lots of icky. Alright, unscrewed our choke. Yes, we have the stud a bit stuck in here. Fuck with that in a little bit. But got our choke out. Gonna pop our diaphragm. Come on, you bitch. Usually I can get these with my fingernails. There we go. Alright. Out. It's done. Eek. You can feel the scuzzy. Feel it. Got our top plate off of the carb. A little bit of sediment you can see so far. But we gotta pull the floats and see what we got going in there. But look how wet these have been staying. Boosters are very, very wet. So we're gonna pull the boosters and squirter assemblies out. There's no seal in the back one there. That's absolutely lovely. There's our rear booster. Oh, look at that. It's bent. That ain't gonna help us. But yeah, no seal. That's gonna make it floaty too. Alright, there's the front. Those have seen better days as well. Gasket. Alright, let's get our floats out, get our accelerator pump out, see what else we got going. Alright, pulled our jets, pull our needle and seats, there's our floats, which aren't too bad. We'll see how well the floats float. I like how our needle and seats aren't really needle, they're just kind of rubber. Interesting. Jets are out. I'm gonna flip it over, pull the power valve, pull the fuel inlet, pull the accelerator pump, and then we're gonna be good. Well, there's a big part of our problem. That power valve is toast. That would make it flood. Yay! Yucky. That's everything. It's apart. Even drilled the old roll pin out. Just drove it out. Ready to bathe.